Hello, this is going to be a real quick video. I'm just going to open up a Word doc, and I like to do the blank documents. Let's type something quick. Hello world would be great. Let's say the next thing I want to write is how are you? An easy thing that you can do is push tab on your keyboard. That moves that. Most teachers will appreciate that. You also could definitely do double space. Teachers really like that. If you need to change the size, there you go. Change the font. Most teachers like Times New Roman. That really helps teachers. I guess it's easier to read. But you definitely want to do a tab every paragraph. So there's that. And then of course you need to save it. So there's different files that I can save it under, whether it's downloads or English. That'll help me know where I put it. And that will be the end of it.